You've heard of Murphy's Law, but have you heard of Cole's Law? It's basically just mayonnaise and cabbage. You're welcome. So here we are.
Got our wood. The whole floor. Well, minus the plywood.
Yeah, minus plywood.
It's pretty awesome though.
Yeah. I know, it's sweet. So we got 2x8s, 10-foot 2x8s. A couple of them are longer, as you can see. Must have been, I don't know, maybe short a couple. Looks like there's a few 12-footers.
Yeah, the delivery guy said they ran out of 10-footers.
Yeah.
So they just gave us
A couple of 12s.
bigger ones.
That's
yeah.
all right. I mean, you get a little, if you ever get a little mini window, you get a bonus header.
Yeah, mini window. It'd have to be some tiny,
Like
eh?
this.
Maybe we got more bonus wood.
Yeah.
Maybe you could put 2 pieces together, and then now it's like a 4-foot.
Yeah, if we could
There,
just
goes for a
glue
window.
a few links
Yeah.
together and use that as a header.
Yeah.
That'd be structurally,
There you go.
that'd be structurally strong, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think you're good.
So one thing we do want to do though is one of the stickers aren't under there, so
Yeah.
we're just gonna lift this end up. It is actually air under there, just that end's going in the ground. So
Yeah.
we're gonna just lift this end, see if we can.
With the
Get
tractor.
Yeah, with the tractor, and throw that other one under there.
Yeah. That way it gives us.
It gets it off the ground.
Yeah.
Well, let's try, see if we can do that without completely digging this up.
Yeah, you'll dig it up.
Oh yeah, it would be ruined. Oh, you just tore about 4 friggin' 2x10s.
Yeah, too. Yeah, right.
It's all
eh?
messed up.
And then our driveway here, it's all ripped up. Driveways,
This?
yeah.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
driveway pad,
I wrecked 4, we need, you know, we'll just shrink the house if that happens.
yeah.
You
might
just
as
go
well.
like this and then nook.
Yeah. I was just trying to save a couple boards on the bottom and wrecked about $1,000 worth of stuff instead.
Yeah, so I tore out one of the screw piles and
Yeah.
just made,
Yeah, back into it,
Yeah.
rip the thing right out. Holy mackerel.
No, I meant, so I tore one out because
Oh,
we don't have enough wood now, so I cut that beam down.
Oh,
And
yeah,
just
yeah.
go like this.
definitely. That's a good idea. Smart right there. Anyway, let's get this off the ground.
Yeah. Hey, do you think we could get, you think you could get like that one off the ground?
How?
You think we could get that off the ground just so I can get the blade under it?
They are, a few of them.
This one?
Oh, that one, I don't know.
Probably not, eh?
It's pretty friggin' heavy.
Does it at all?
Like the tiniest hair. Yeah, maybe.
Do you think you
Is
can
it-
do that or put the blade
Yeah.
down, one or the other? Which one?
Yeah, I'll try and lift it. Let's see if I can. Wait, before you go too far.
I'll get close there.
Oh, yeah.
You can tell me and then go over there.
You just
Down?
try. Now come. Okay. Now up. Okay.
Up.
Yep. Yeah, go out.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yes, fine. Good enough. So since we're in town today, we're gonna head into Princess Auto. We got a few things that we need to get, so we're gonna go in and see if they have some of them. Let's go in.
doing with your mask on outside?
She's got a cold today, so she's hiding her nose that's all sore.
All right, so we're done in Princess Auto. We get ourselves a heated waterer right here and a chicken feeder. So we're gonna get chickens again, but we're gonna have a small little coop set up at the farmhouse for now, and that way we can go and, get the eggs and all that, laying hens again. And then when we take it over to the new homestead we're building, which we're going to build to completion before we move on it, we can just take these chickens over there. There'll be no transition like we had in the last place where we gave the chickens to another military family. So here we go.
So you see we picked these up at Princess Auto earlier. Well, we also have a new coop set up at our property, which is super awesome. We're super excited about it. So we're going to go get 5 laying hens in a little bit this afternoon and bring them home and set them up in this thing. So we're pretty stoked to have chickens again. So our last chickens that we had to get rid of them. We gave them to another military family because we had a 6-week transition when we sold our house where we had to live at a campground in our camper. So there was nowhere to keep them. So another military family took them. So now we've got this new coop, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of it. And it's nice and lightweight, and we can move it around, so which is really great. So when we move to our property, when our off-grid house is built, we'll be able to bring this and bring the chickens, and there'll be no transition time because we'll leave right from here and move to our house that'll be ready for us there. So that's really awesome, and that's a nice thing about a somewhat portable, lightweight chicken coop.
Yeah, and if they haven't known, like we're going to be able to build this without having to live in a trailer. That's kind of what we're...
Yeah, so much better this time.
Yeah, in a proper location.
Mm-hmm. So here's the door to let them in. Welcome to our humble abode. That's the way to close them in at night. Like we'll always lock them in there at night just to keep them safe. So it's pretty cool that you can access that through outside the cage. And then here's the little door to get into their nesting or their housing area, I suppose, sleeping quarters.
The perch.
The perch, yeah. And a little tray under here to empty their dirties. So that's really nice. Pull it out, empty it, put that back in. And back here is to get into the nesting box. So hopefully they lay their eggs in there, and I'll be able to get them easily.
We'll just throw a little hay in there.
Mm-hmm.
They like that.
They do, yeah. And we're gonna put a little latch. This seems to, like it had a latch before and it's been broken, so we're gonna have to put a new latch on here. And then we'll be good to go, just so nothing can get into it at night.
And what do you figure? We'll keep them in there for a week or so to let them get acclimated to the place?
I think so.
We'll start letting them out?
Yeah, we'll let them free range the yard. But the first week, you definitely want them to know that this is their place so they come back to it.
Yeah, seemed to work good for us before.
It did, yeah. Yeah. So we're just going to get these hung up. This is like a heated water jug that we got at Princess Auto, like we showed you. So we'll get it hung in here, and the food dish will get hung up. We'll have the little place all set up for them before they get here. Pretty awesome.
It's going to be nice to have fresh eggs again in the morning.
Yeah, Sam and I love doing that. Like we miss coming out and collecting our eggs in the morning. So that'll be a real joy for us to come do that again.
It's been a few months.
It has been, yeah. What do you think, Sam?
You excited to be the chicken shepherd again?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She was always our chicken shepherd, hey? It's going to be cool, isn't it? Yeah. Sweet. Well, we got to go get some chickens, don't we? Yeah.
All right, let's go get them. Them and some food and a little bit of hay.
All right, so before we headed to get the chickens, we want to tell you about Off-Grid with Jay and Jen.
Yeah.
They're another laid-back couple building an off-grid place, and they're pretty cool and, normal. You know what I mean? Like they're laid back
Normal, yeah.
Not
normal like us.
Yeah, like, our normal.
Yeah, so if you enjoy us, you'll probably enjoy their content. So
yeah, so check them out. We'll put the link down below. So it's Off-Grid with Jay and Jen. You can tell them we sent you there.
Yeah.
And we'll put the links in the description. Try to remember to pin it in the comment too, but the link will be below no matter what.
Yeah.
So
show them a
Off-Grid with
little
Jay
love.
and Jen. Check them out. They, laid back cool people.
Yeah.
They got a side-by-side.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah.
I'd like a side-by-side again.
Yeah. But they have a off-grid cabin they're building and stuff. They just built a set of stairs in their last vid, so.
Yeah.
And they built an outhouse recently, stuff like that. So they're always doing projects and stuff in like a fun, chilled out way, which is like super important to us. We're not you know, we obviously take life serious, but at the same time,
We like to have fun.
yeah, we don't want to be, you know, the people that are full of crap,
Yeah.
basically.
We
Right?
keep it real
Or like
and
a
we're
hard,
chilled.
or just, you know,
Yeah.
I'll just stop talking.
Yeah. Anyway, check
Yeah.
them out.
All right, yeah, check them out. Links are all below, and we're gonna go get chickens.
Yay.
Gets dark early now, doesn't it? Can you see him? All right, let's throw. Let's cut this. Yeah, cut it like right there. Yeah, you got her.
Cut in the hay.
That's all right. Here. There we go. That's pretty good. Let's just grab handfuls now. You're good. That's good. Now, do you want to throw the handfuls in?
I don't want to do all of them.
Handfuls of straw. Here, we'll set it here.
Okay.
This is where they'll lay their eggs at. Get a nice little bed for them. So it's nice and snuggly, eh? That's pretty decent, I think, maybe. You could throw more in yours. How's that feeling?
Good.
Maybe we'll just throw a little. Mom said she was going to throw a little bit in here, just not too much. So they don't end up laying in here. That's probably pretty good, eh? Nice.
There.
Looks good. All right. Now step 2, we got to put the chickens in.
Right there.
Yeah. So we'll just leave it locked for the night. We're just going to put them in here. You got their bed already and stuff. So you're going to put them in here, Daddy, or in the nesting box? Where are you going to drop them?
I could set them down through the nesting box.
Yeah, maybe that is the best.
I don't know.
Wherever you think's easier to shove them in. You can close quick. Whatever you think. One at a time, put them in.
Maybe easy just to open the main gate and
Let
open
them
the
go.
box like I did
Yeah.
before.
Okay. All right.
Do you think they'll make their way up there?
I imagine. Let me open it.
Although you'd have to give them a couple minutes to do that.
Yeah, I'll have to come back.
Maybe
out.
I'm going to throw them in here.
Okay.
Maybe I'll just throw them down in here. Open this, like you said.
Okay. You have to open the bottom. Just like it out.
Open this and it keeps them in. Jump it, they're going in. At all of them?
I don't know. Nope. Calm down. Get the box out. We gotta get some wire. Push that down. Or a big rock or something.
That's closed?
Get something to sit on here. Wood,
Yeah.
Or do you want to get some wire out of the laundry room? I mean the mud room in there, the whatever. I mean this is somewhat heavy, but not really.
You can see them through the window. Lots of room in there for them, that's good. Yeah, they're right there. Hello?
Hi. Hi.
Get used to the new home, eh?
Hi, girls.
You lay some eggs now.
Uh-huh.
There we have it.
Yeah, that's
Sam's-
cool.
Yeah, Sam's just finishing tying this here. Don't rock her too hard. We want to be able to get it off in first thing in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Did you tie it?
Check the eggs.
Okay, well,
That's
good
all
luck.
right.
Yeah.
Not too hard.
Yeah.
That's all right anyway.
So, as long as it's secure for now, anyway. So that's secured. Chickens are in here.
Yeah. We'll give them the fresh food and water in the morning. No point in it tonight because we can't get it in their little coop anyway. It stays in the run.
Yeah, so first thing in the morning we'll give it to them.
Yeah. So it's
And
all
we'll get
good.
these hung up, right? We'll hang them in there somehow.
We bought some stuff for that today.
Yeah. And we'll eventually let them run around out here, right? It's
Yeah.
just for now, let them just know where their home is for about a week or so, right?
Yeah, that's usually what we did. Just like a week. And
Yeah.
then once they know that this is where they get their food and their water, then they can free range and they'll come back.
Yeah. Cool.
That's cool.
We'll see how long it takes for them to lay eggs. I
Yeah.
think, how long did it take when
Right away, right away.
was there an egg by one of them or all
I
of them
think,
right away?
no, not all of them, but like one.
I think right
away.
away, yeah, wasn't
One.
there?
Yeah.
And then over a couple weeks maybe they all
Yeah,
laid? Or
yeah.
a week even maybe.
Maybe a week, yeah.
There's probably
Something like that.
videos on that.
Yeah, I know. Right? We can go back and
We
look.
go, instead of like, go find it, we'll go find it.
Yeah.
An egg! We have an egg! Oh, I'm so happy!
But yeah, all right, well, cool. This is fun. I'm looking forward to these eggs.
Yeah.
I've missed them over the last few months, not having the fresh eggs. So.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll get at those trusses.
Yes.
Or no, not trusses, joists.
Joists.
Right away, we got all the wood there. You saw it. We're good to go there. So we got the bolts now to bolt all those beams down.
Yeah.
So.
Get started on that too.
And we'll get a heat lamp put in this soon too. It's not too cold at night. You see our breath, but it's still not too bad yet. But
Yeah, it's only like 0 or something.
it's not freezing yet.
I don't even know.
Yeah, it's not too cold. It's freezing.
Yeah.
Right?
But even that doesn't matter. I mean, they're hardy birds. They can be outside in the weather.
Yeah.
It's for like the -20 nights that we want the heat lamp. The real cold.
Probably
nights.
get it before that, but yeah.
Definitely.
All right. Well, all that stuff. We'll see you in the next one.
See ya.